This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the iPad and removing any case or screen protector so you can access the button. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or a computer so you won't lose data. Now inspect the button gap with a bright light. You're looking for dust, sticky residue, or corrosion. Make sure you have compressed air, a toothpick, a soft brush, and 90% isopropyl on hand. Begin with gentle debris removal, do not force anything. Next, you'll clean and try soft release techniques. Use short bursts of compressed air angled across the button seam to dislodge grit. Avoid prolonged spraying. Dampen a microfiber-wrapped toothpick or cotton swab with a tiny amount of 90% isopropyl and gently work around the button edge to dissolve sticky residue. Let it evaporate completely. Once dry, try soft release key combos appropriate to your model. Hold power with home or volume to trigger restarts or force eject states, because software locks can mimic a stuck button. If cleaning and soft release don't free the button, move to advanced options. First, enable assistive touch so you have a software replacement while you troubleshoot. Make sure iOS is updated. Sometimes firmware issues affect button responsiveness. If you're comfortable, perform a safe partial teardown with a proper toolkit and follow model-specific guides. Only proceed if you can control ESD and fragile connectors. If the mechanism is broken or you see corrosion, stop and take the iPad to Apple or a certified repair shop. Document symptoms and steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.